Well, we found the reindeer, didn't we? They love seeing every single one of you. But what about Santa? We left him sleeping in the Maltsters. Let's see what happens next. In the cosy confines of the Maltsters, Santa had had the most dreadful dream. Mischievous elves, disguised as teachers, had taken over Howell's school, disrupting the usual outstanding education that happens all year round. A school inspection was looming, and lessons were turned into a whimsical and chaotic playground as the elves wreaked havoc on the near perfectly planned lessons. Indoor snowball fights erupted in maths. Sweets, candy canes and donuts were being dished out in PE. And instead of learning French, Spanish and Welsh, the girls in the prep school were forced to embrace Elfish. Santa awoke in a cold sweat. Just the thought of students not receiving the best education in Cardiff stuck firmly in his mind. The mischievous elves were a stark contrast to the usual orderly charm of Howell's school, and a sense of urgency gripped him as he realised the need to return and restore the school's traditional spirit. Let's hope Santa gets here soon.